10 Healthy Meal Prep Ideas for Busy Weekdays. Hey there! If you're like most of us, you're juggling a busy work schedule, family responsibilities, and trying to stay healthy all at the same time. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some quick and healthy meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy weekdays. Let's dive in with our top 10 healthy meal prep ideas that will help you stay on track with your health goals. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a popular and delicious breakfast option that has taken the health and wellness world by storm. These tasty and nutritious oats are prepared by mixing rolled oats with milk or yogurt, along with some sweeteners, spices, and toppings of your choice, and letting it sit in the fridge overnight. As the oats soak up the liquid, they become soft and creamy, resulting in a delicious and filling breakfast that is perfect for those busy mornings. Not only are overnight oats easy to make and customizable to your liking, but they are also packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them a great option for anyone looking to fuel their body with nutritious and wholesome food. So why not give overnight oats a try and enjoy a healthy and delicious breakfast that will keep you full and energized all morning long? 2. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are a convenient and healthy meal prep option that allows you to enjoy a delicious and nutritious salad anytime, anywhere. These salads are made by layering your favorite salad ingredients in a mason jar, starting with the dressing at the bottom and working your way up to the greens at the top. By keeping the dressing separate from the greens, you can avoid wilted leaves and soggy salads. Mason jar salads are not only easy to prepare but can also be customized to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. You can choose to add in protein sources such as chicken, tofu, or chickpeas, or incorporate a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits to increase the nutrient density of your meal. Not only are mason jar salads perfect for meal prep, but they are also a great option for those on the go, as they can be easily transported to work or school. 3. Buddha bowls. Buddha bowls are a colorful and nutritious meal option that consists of a mix of grains, vegetables, and protein sources arranged in a bowl. These bowls are not only visually appealing but also provide a well-rounded and satisfying meal that is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. Buddha bowls are highly customizable and can be made using a variety of grains, such as quinoa, rice, or couscous. Paired with a variety of roasted or raw veggies like sweet potatoes, broccoli, or carrots, and protein sources like tofu, chicken, or chickpeas. You can also add a variety of flavorful sauces or dressings to enhance the taste and texture of your bowl. 4. Veggie stir-fry. Veggie stir-fry is a quick, easy, and delicious meal that is perfect for those busy weeknights when you don't have much time to cook. Stir-frying vegetables in a pan with some oil and seasonings is a great way to retain their nutrients, flavor, and texture, resulting in a healthy and satisfying meal that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. You can use a variety of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, mushrooms, carrots, and onions, and pair them with a protein source like tofu, chicken, or shrimp, and a flavorful sauce like soy sauce, hoisin sauce, or teriyaki sauce. You can also add some noodles or rice to make it a more filling meal. So next time you are short on time but still want to enjoy a delicious and nutritious meal, try making a veggie stir-fry and enjoy all the flavors and benefits of fresh vegetables in one tasty dish. 5. Baked sweet potatoes. Baked sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious meal option that is easy to prepare and packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These versatile root vegetables can be baked in the oven, roasted, or even microwaved, and can be served as a main dish or a side dish, depending on your preference. Baking sweet potatoes is a simple process that involves washing and drying the sweet potatoes, piercing them with a fork, and then baking them in the oven for about an hour, or until they are tender and soft. You can also add some toppings like butter, cinnamon, honey, or marshmallows to enhance the flavor and make it a more satisfying meal. So next time you're looking for a simple yet healthy meal option, try baking some sweet potatoes and enjoy all the delicious flavors and nutrients that they have to offer. 6. Healthy pasta. You don't have to give up pasta to eat healthy. Try using whole wheat or lentil pasta and adding lots of veggies to the dish for added nutrition. Healthy pasta can be a tasty and nutritious meal option when prepared with whole grain or gluten-free varieties, paired with fresh veggies and lean proteins, and topped with flavorful, homemade sauces. Enjoy dishes like whole grain spaghetti with roasted vegetables, chicken Alfredo made with Greek yogurt, or zucchini noodles with turkey meatballs for a delicious and healthy pasta meal. 7. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a great meal prep option that can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. These muffins are made by whisking eggs with your favorite veggies and protein sources, such as spinach, tomatoes, cheese, or ham, and then baking them in muffin tins until they are golden brown and fluffy. Egg muffins are not only easy to prepare but are also highly customizable and can be adapted to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. So next time you're looking for a tasty and convenient meal, try making some egg muffins and enjoy a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack on the go. 8. Quinoa stuffed peppers. Quinoa stuffed peppers are a delicious and healthy meal option that is packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins. The peppers are filled with a mixture of cooked quinoa, veggies, and protein, such as ground turkey or black beans, and then baked in the oven until tender and flavorful. This dish can be easily customized with your favorite ingredients and is perfect for meal prep or a family dinner. 9. Slow cooker chili. A comforting and healthy meal that can be made in advance and stored in the fridge or freezer for later. Simply throw all the ingredients into a slow cooker and let it cook all day. 10. Grilled chicken and veggies. This classic meal option is perfect for busy weeknights. Simply marinate some chicken breasts, grill them up, and serve with a side of roasted veggies. Grilled chicken and veggies are a classic and healthy meal option that is perfect for summer cookouts or a quick and easy dinner option. Chicken breast and a variety of fresh vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and onions are marinated in a flavorful blend of spices and grilled to perfection. This dish is not only delicious but also highly nutritious, as it provides a great source of lean protein, fiber, and vitamins. You can also pair this meal with some whole grain bread or quinoa to make it a more filling and satisfying dish. And there you have it, 10 healthy meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy weekdays. These meals are easy to make, delicious, and will help you stay on track with your health goals. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information about lifestyle, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching, and happy meal prepping.